What differentiates a good YouTube video from a great one? What elements influence the viewer's decision to stick around or hit back? Let's journey together into the world of YouTube scripting, the subtle art and the exciting science that make the magic of engaging educational videos happen. Today, we'll be discussing everything from understanding your audience, writing engaging dialogues, perfect storytelling, to crafting irresistible calls to action. Buckle up and get ready to gain a wealth of insights to revolutionize your approach to YouTube scripting. The art of YouTube scriptwriting. Imagine a chef without a recipe or an architect without a blueprint. Things can quickly descend into chaos, right? Similarly, in the dynamic universe of YouTube, your script acts as your guiding blueprint, your secret ingredient, and your path to stellar content. A script goes beyond mere words on a page. It is the powerful magnetic force that aligns your scattered ideas into a coherent, captivating narrative. It determines the tempo of your content, guiding the pacing, making sure every moment is packed with meaning. Just as an enthralling novel grips its readers, a well-structured script holds your viewers' attention, keeping them engaged from beginning to end. But the magic of the script doesn't stop there. It's also your creative brainstorming center, a space to refine your insights and sculpt them into memorable learning experiences. This process infuses your content with unique perspectives, shifting your viewers from passive observers to active learners. Understanding your audience. Imagine delivering a Shakespearean monologue to a crowd expecting stand-up comedy. Quite a miss, right? The key to creating successful YouTube content is knowing your audience. This understanding guides your storytelling and ignites viewer engagement. Unraveling your audience's traits allows you to customize your content to their liking, analyze their demographics to better grasp their interests and language preferences. This knowledge enables you to tailor your message, ensuring your style, pacing, and visuals resonate with them. Further, knowing your audience equips you with the ability to foresee potential barriers and preemptively tackle them. It's like having a crystal ball predicting the fate of your video, steering it towards success. For achieving this deep understanding, employ market research, utilize social media, and interact directly with your audience. Reach out to them via personalized emails or interactive surveys. A good understanding of your audience paves the way for crafting messages that truly hit home. The process of script writing. The script writing process begins with a brainstorming session. Think of yourself as a miner digging for idea gems. Jot down every thought. No idea is too small. After you've gathered a rich collection of ideas, it's time to create an outline. This serves as a tool to weave together disjointed ideas into a logical and flowing narrative. Next, start writing. Don't worry about making the first draft perfect. Let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. Revisit your script. Fill narrative gaps, enhance characters, and polish until it shines. Don't shy away from seeking a second opinion. Take their feedback into account and integrate changes that uplift your script. In the end, your script should resemble a three-act play: introduction, body, and conclusion. A captivating introduction grabs attention, a substantial body delivers value, a reinforcing conclusion wraps up your narrative. That's your formula for a memorable script. Writing engaging dialogues. Writing dialogue is akin to conducting an orchestra of words. Each character should have a unique voice, contributing to a symphony of diverse tones. Every dialogue should propel the story forward or reveal crucial information. Pay heed to the rhythm and pacing of speech. Use pauses and nonverbal cues to convey underlying meanings. Balance drama with information to maintain intrigue and ensure your core message remains clear. Use personal anecdotes, visual aids, and examples to animate dry data. By doing so, you can transform mundane statistics into engaging and impactful dialogue. Harnessing the power of storytelling. An engaging YouTube video pulses with the heartbeat of storytelling. Storytelling forms an emotional bridge between you and the viewer, making complex ideas easily digestible. Experiment with various storytelling techniques. Use characters' emotional journeys, play with pacing and tension, and experiment with non-linear narratives to add depth to your video. Mastering your call to action. A well-crafted call to action (CTA) prompts viewer engagement and growth. It guides viewers to relevant content, boosting engagement, and fostering a loyal viewer community. Ensure your CTA is clear and offers a reward. Use visual aids and incorporate your CTA throughout your video. Remember, your video's ending matters as much as its beginning, so keep your outro sharp and let your CTA shine. In conclusion, successful YouTube scripting is an exciting blend of understanding your audience, engaging dialogue, powerful storytelling, and compelling CTAs. Master this, and you'll have the viewers hooked on every word. Just like we hope you'll join us for our next video, where we'll reveal the secrets of using AI in script writing. That's a call to action you can't resist, right?